Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy.
Yeah. Go wake him up with a kiss. Didn't work. You gotta do it again. Give him another kiss.
Oh, good morning, Liam. Hi. My nose is kind of sore. Just so you know, that's what Mommy sounds like when she sleeps.
No, she does not.
Yeah, she does. Mommy snores.
What does snoring sound like, Liam?
Liam, can you snore?
Gentle, Liam. Gentle. Did you wake Daddy up?
Yeah, I think Daddy's awake. Can Daddy go back to sleep?
Liam, be gentle. Oh my.